From bam to bam. What's up? My name's Abu, and today I'm going to teach you how to Photoshop. I'm going to teach you how to go from damn to damn. So now in this day and age, Photoshop is a standard. I mean, people want to look like the magazines, and of course, people are complaining like, "Hey, I don't look, they shouldn't be photoshopping." Da, 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 da. Yeah, I've heard it. But in reality, people want to look good. So I'm going to teach you how to Photoshop this thing quick. I don't know about you, but ain't nobody got time for that. So let's get started. So you go to my link here, click life, and grab this action. Open up Photoshop, double click, install the action. There's an example like before and after, da da da. Anyway, you're ready to go. Once it's installed, you just hit play, and you are ready to rumble. All right, I've hit play. I'm ready to go. So basically, this is the lasso tool with a feather of 20, and you just go around the places you want to get photoshopped. So now when your kids show up or your grandma is like, I don't look as good as the other people. Shut up. I have Photoshop. I'm going to hook you up. And dang it, that was a bad selection. All right. Let me do it again. Still, there we go. Bam. And bam. And oh snap. Bam. Get in there, get in there. Bam. 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 I keep hitting Control F, which repeats the filter, which is the blur. That's what's happening. But basically, I mean, this is really, really rough, but you can spend more than 2 minutes, but I don't know about you, man. I got places to go. So boom, boom, boom. And of course, you can finish it off a little bit here with your patch tool, which is right here. You can go in there and patch stuff like this out. You zoom in. Bye bye. This little thing here. I mean, you can get picky, it's crazy, but I mean, for the most part, you're done, man. You are done. So that's it. That's it. Isn't that awesome? You go from bam to bam. Let me fix these hairs. Yeah. Bye bye. All right, now we're talking. I mean, if this was a shoot, I'll take a little more time. But basically, sometimes you just gotta get this thing retouched and move on with your life, man. So anyway, that's how they do it. Bam. Anyway, go down to Click Life, get the action, and just go on, move on with your life. Get this Photoshop thing done. Anyway, thanks for watching my retarded video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.